Why do AI chatbot sometimes give wrong answers even after being trained on huge datasets? What if your AI could search documents, PDFs, websites, or company data before answering? That's exactly where RAG comes in, which means Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in modern AI applications, which is RAG, and also known as Retrieval Augmented Generation. So let's understand what is RAG. So RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It is an AI architecture that combines information retrieval as well as large language models, which is LLMs. So instead of relying only on the model's training data, RAG retrieves relevant information from external sources before generating an answer. And why do we need RAG? Because it reduces hallucinations, uses updated information, works with private company data, and improves AI accuracy. So as I told about the LLM problem, right, in the traditional way, so LLM basically only rely on the training data and may provide outdated or incorrect answers. And that's why RAG comes in. So let's get started with how RAG works or how RAG workflow works. Step one, collect the data from PDFs, documents, websites, databases, and APIs. The second is chunking, or in terms of chunking of the documents. So the large documents are split into smaller chunks. Third is generate embeddings. So in this workflow, each chunk is converted into vectors, and that is by using embedding models. Fourth, where it stores the vectors in the vector databases, and the vector databases are ChromaDB, Pinecone, Fias, DB8. Then we have in terms of the similarity search. At last, basically, it generates the response based on LLM responses. So a retrieved data is passed to the LLM to generate the final answer. So this is basically a simple architecture flow of RAG, which basically starts from the user query, then it goes to the embedding models, then it goes to the vector database search, then goes to the LLM, and then it gives the final response. So what are the benefits of RAG? Basically, it gives better accuracy in terms of the information retrieval as compared to LLM, because the LLM only works on the training data. It works on the real knowledge, where the dynamic, this information comes into picture as compared to the LLM, where LLM only works on the static data. And RAG is cost effective as compared to LLM, because LLM or LLM models are more costlier as compared to RAG. Now we understand the fundamentals of RAG and why it is one of the most important concepts in AI engineering today. So in the next video, I'll bring a complete RAG demo using Python, vector databases, and an LLM step by step. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. So till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.